Did you know that approximately 80% of businesses fail due to poor financial management within their initial 5 years? A staggering statistic, isn't it? The difference between thriving and just surviving often boils down to understanding and mastering your profits. Today, we delve into the fascinating journey of achieving profit mastery, a journey from break-even to breakthrough. Profit mastery is not a destination, but a continuous expedition. It begins with understanding the essentials of financial management. Knowledge, they say, is power. In the realm of business, knowledge of your numbers gives you the power to make informed decisions. This understanding includes knowing your income, expenses, and most importantly, the break-even point. This is the point where your income equals your expenses. Beyond this point, every single penny equates to profit. Now, imagine your business as a ship. The break-even point is your safe harbor, the place where you're not losing money. But you didn't start a business to stay in the harbor, did you? You started it to sail the high seas, to conquer new lands, to make a profit. And that's where the second step to profit mastery comes in: setting profit goals. These goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Having clear profit goals gives your business a defined direction, a destination to sail towards. The third step to profit mastery is implementing strategies to achieve your profit goals. These strategies could include increasing prices, reducing costs, or finding new revenue streams. Remember, a small adjustment can have a big impact. A 1% increase in price could mean a 10% increase in profit. The key is to continuously experiment, measure, and adjust. The fourth step is to monitor your progress. The sea of business is ever-changing. Storms can come unexpectedly. By keeping a close eye on your financials, you can navigate around obstacles and stay on course towards your profit goals. The final step, but by no means the least important, is to celebrate your victories. When you reach a profit goal, take the time to acknowledge your hard work and success. This not only boosts morale, but also fuels motivation to reach for higher goals. Mastering profits is not an easy task. It requires understanding, planning, strategizing, monitoring, and celebrating. But the rewards are worth the effort. No longer will you be sailing in circles in the safe harbor. You'll be charting a course for uncharted territories, for new heights of success. So embark on this journey today. Apply these steps in your business. Understand your numbers. Set your profit goals. Implement strategies. Monitor your progress. Celebrate your victories. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step towards profit mastery today. From break-even to breakthrough, the seas of success await you.